Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming exactly what kind of pin you see, because the removal path depends on the source. Open Google Maps on a desktop browser while signed into the same Google account. Mobile can hide options. Once done, check if the pin is a saved place, a labeled address, a dropped pin you created, or part of a My Maps layer. Make sure to note which it is. That determines the only removal method that works reliably. Now follow the specific removal steps for what you found. If it's a saved pin, open your places, select Saved, find the list or map marker, and remove it from that list. If it's a labeled address, go to Map Settings or Your Places, edit labels, and delete the label. For a dropped pin you created, click the pin, open Details, and choose Remove or Delete. If the pin came from a My Maps layer, open My Maps and delete the feature there. This is the only way to remove those. Finish by refreshing Google Maps and, if needed, clearing your browser cache to force an update. If the pin persists, confirm whether it's on a shared My Maps layer. You must delete or edit that layer in My Maps to remove the marker for everyone. If you cannot edit the source, use the Pins menu to report a data problem and explain that the pin should be removed. One troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in, then recheck. That often syncs deletions across.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.